It's 50 quid cash, take it or leave it.
Hi, we're getting back to where we left off yesterday, and I accidentally closed the PowerShell window after the count, and watching Waterloo Road in the background, and it's so cool how many actors came through this show. So yeah, there was some background noise. So apparently. What closing PowerShell means is no changes were made, no data was deleted. The command only read data, analysis only. Your system state is unchanged and safe. What to do now? Open PowerShell again, rerun the same command. So So I went to the start and I'm just typing PowerShell and open PowerShell. And that gives us
Let's go try to steal my money. They bit me.
our window back.
They didn't call the police. So sorry about this. How much did this gentleman pay for the medals? £50. I've got collected off from me 450 for them. Liar. Right. I'll give you £100 for your trouble, and you will accept it. Otherwise, I shall call the police and inform them of your reprehensible behaviour trying to extort money from a minor. You shouldn't have done that. Money doesn't matter.
It's going to take an eon for this result to come. So I'm going to pause it and check back. Okay, so the name and count appear. I think it took about 40 minutes. So if you're doing this and you have thousands of files, expect a little bit of a wait. Okay, good. This is the noise layer again. Not useful for deletion. Okay. Let me just say, before executing step 30, I am concerned that there is looping going on. How can we check for this? How can we correct looping if it is in place? Are we actually looping? No true loop is happening. What you're seeing is repeated patterns at different levels. Step earlier. Wait a second. I actually have to turn Waterloo Road off. It's a little too exciting, and this is needing my attention. Okay, step earlier, duplicates and whole system. Now duplicates inside OneDrive sorted. Same type of output, but different scope. This is progressive narrowing, not a loop. Quick check to confirm progress. Action. Run this in a PowerShell. count, then run okay, so that generated a count. And this generated another count. Okay. If OneDrive sorted is much larger than before, it worked. I'm going to have to ask you about that. If residual is still larger expected, we haven't cleaned it yet. Why it feels like a loop because we're still in analysis phase. No deletions yet. Same structure, count, size appears repeatedly, but each step is building. Detection, validation, safe action rules. How we prevent real loops. From here forward, we enforce no rerunning previous steps. Each command must reduce uncertainty or change system state. If not, we stop and adjust. Correction if a real loop occurs. If you ever see same command, same output, no state change, we do stop execution, identify assumption failure, switch mode like we did to robocopy. Final clarity, you're not looping, you are at final analysis before irreversible action. So I'm just going to copy this onto my Word document where I'm storing some things so that if this feeling comes up, I have some idea how to go about phrasing it. So let me insert a page break. And put this back down. So, okay, one more question, then step 30. The first number count was 48556. The second count was 8227. I did not recognize your terminology, so I need to check. Then step 30 if okay. Concise answer. Files were copied into OneDrive, sorted. So what those numbers mean, the 48,556 total files in C staging and the 8227 are in residual, not yet deleted. Files were copied into OneDrive, sorted, not removed from residual. So counts do not decrease yet. This is expected and correct. Are we safe to proceed? Yes. You now have complete data set in one place, no data loss, and you're ready for deduplication. Proceed. Run step 30. Okay, let's just go back up here and copy. Step 30. Okay. This is going to be one of those that needs a moment. Okay, I think this is going to take a bit, so I'm going to pause the recording again. And okay, so we've got it. And run step 30.
Your little effort at breaking me in gently isn't working. Complete waste of time. So far, I've had one decent effort. Plagiarism and a bunch of limericks.
Step 31, confirm true duplicates. We now verify one group fully to ensure.
Oh my god! Quiet!
Okay. Takes one size group, computes file hashes, groups identical files.
Just use words that express your feelings.
I have to.
Swag. Swag on you chilling by the fire while we eating fondue.
Is that not a Justin Bieber song?
Good. This confirms true duplicates exist. Step 32, interpret results.
Said that a poet
Same size group, multiple hashes. Each hash has 3 identical copies, count 2. These are verified duplicates. The exact content matches. Rule for deletion. For each hash, keep one file and remove the rest. Step 33. Safe duplicates removal. One group only. We start with this single size group to verify behavior. And looks like we've run into a positional parameter cannot be found. This is a syntax issue, not a system problem. So the fix. Okay. Paste a few lines. Good. Simulation is correct. Confirm deletion logic. What we see, only duplicates are targeted. One copy per hash is preserved. No unrelated files included. Deletion logic is safe and correct. Important. Check. Final before real deletion. All files shown are in metadata. Confirm these are not your primary assets. They are safe to duplicate. It's okay. If okay, proceed. Well, what? Do not understand what I am to do for step 34. What you need to do simple. Look at these files. Are these important original files you care about? Are they background duplicate? If they are not important, safe. I have no idea what these are. Wow, we're about to do some deleting. Execute real deletion, single group. Okay, we're going to pause this video here. We have to plug in the laptop and charge, and see you in the next video.